rebuild confidence on brand Andhra Pradesh, we have cleared bills of rupees 10,125 crores relating to irrigation, roads and other works. Strengthen the local governance by releasing long-pending liabilities of rupees 2,488 crore of finance commission age grants. As promised by NDA in the current assembly sessions to rebuild the state of AP, capital Amravati and Polavaram irrigation projects have been brought back onto the track. The revival of steel plant and the formation of railway zone are a testament to our commitment to the people of Andhra Pradesh. We have laid a strong foundation by launching 22 new policies that will drive sustained growth and prosperity. I am proud to share that our efforts are already showing results. We are attracting global giants like Google, ArcelorMittal Steel Company, Tata Power, Grenco Group, BPCL, TCS and others with massive investments. To date, investors have pledged investment of rupees 6.5 lakh crore with an employment potential of 4 lakh jobs. As per the first advance estimates for 2024-25, Andhra Pradesh economy has expanded to rupees 16 lakh crore, up from 14.22 lakh crore last year, an impressive nominal growth rate of 12.94%. Our per capita income has also increased to rupees 2.6 lakhs, up from 2.3 lakh in the previous year. This progress is powered by strong performances across all key sectors. Agriculture and allied activities have grown at 15.86%, industries at 6.71%, and services at 11.70%. As the great social reformer, late Kandukuri Veerasalignam Garu had said, Avakashalu iste prati manishilo meti naipunyam velu gunduntundi. Means, given opportunities, excellence shines forth in every individual. My government is now embarking on this pioneering journey towards Swarna Andhra at 2047. For any society to truly prosper, welfare and development must go hand in hand. They are two sides of the same coin. Without one, the other falters. Andhra Pradesh is committed to striking this balance.